The country's powerful security board, the Joint Operations Command (JOC), has convened an emergency meeting aiming rising fears of possible military coup and mass unrest driven by catastrophic decline of the local currency, the ZiG. Sanapinda mashuka budanyu kwa pana pazvinzi aiwa junta aiwa shakes up apo panobuda aiwa nawo dzekudeclare kwezig notobva wasubscribe walike turn on the bell icon tipinda unamwe budanyu kwamuchinzi. This follows a week of economic chaos that has seen businesses teeter on the brink of closure and the public growing increasingly restless. The JOC, which comprises the heads of Zimbabwe's security apparatus, the Central Intelligence Organization (CIO), the Zimbabwe National Army, Air Force of Zimbabwe, Zimbabwe Public Police, and Zimbabwe Prisons Correctional Services, met on Friday to assess the deteriorating situation. Sources from within the high-level meeting report growing panic within the military leadership, particularly over rising discontent among junior and middle-ranking soldiers whose salaries have been decimated by the country's collapse. There is a serious disgruntlement, especially from junior and middle management in the army. They are most dangerous factions as they are in positions where they could spearhead a coup, one source revealed. The JOC is expected to brief President Emerson Mnangagwa on Monday, where they will recommend an immediate abandonment of the ZiG in favor of dollarization to prevent further economic free fall and avoid a recession. The collapse of the ZiG last week was formally acknowledged by the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe (RBZ) when it admitted that the currency had lost nearly all of its value. The central bank's decision to devalue the currency against the US dollar sparked widespread shockwaves, triggering closure and mass layouts across various industries. Ndomashuka rubuda panapa tiona kuti kudeclare kuri kuita this value in our own currency, the ZiG, kwakusignaya a coup. Atikuona kuti vanhu vari kushanda civil servants, especially vakomana vemilitary kana vearmy, vakomana ava they are not being satisfied nemuhuro wavari kuwana, zviri kuonekwa kunzi aiwa zvinogona kukonzeresa military coup. Chipotedza mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi? Pina comment section medu kuti mafungiro enyu musangana subscribe or like turn on the bell icon.